If you want a wider appearance to your 2018 or newer JL Wrangler, these 1.5-inch Hubcentric wheel spacers in a set of 4 is a great mod to consider. Now this is a great choice for the JL owner who wants some additional width to their stance, pushing the wheel out to create a flush, aggressive, or very aggressive stance depending on what wheel you're currently working with for a tougher look. It's also a great middle ground choice in sizing if you don't want a super dramatic change like you would get with 2 or 2.5 inches, and it's also an easy solution to better fitment if you're currently getting some rubbing or contact with suspension components, larger brakes, or even just chunkier tires, and you don't want to change out the wheels altogether. You're just looking for an easy and affordable solution to make them fit. As you can see, this features all 4 wheel spacers in the kit, making this an all-inclusive option if you want an even stance on all 4 corners and don't want to worry about mixing and matching spacers. Again, they're also more of a middle of the road choice with sizing, measuring to 1.5 inches or roughly 38 millimeters, offering a good amount of width to each corner to clear additional components without being too aggressive, depending again on what wheels that you're working with. These also have a Hubcentric design for a stable feel and work with factory wheels and aftermarket wheels that you will pair with it, making this set versatile and able to change with your build if you choose to do so. These spacers are made of a tough billet aluminum construction with a black finish on top to resist any corrosion on the aluminum underneath. Now each spacer also has a 5x5-inch lug pattern for a direct fit on the JL and has pre-installed studs for a solid fit. Now this kit also includes all of the lug nuts that you need in order to install them and the Loctite that you need as well for good reliability after the installation. Now this set of 4 comes in at about $200 and is pretty average compared to others like it in the category. Putting this side by side with other options, again, it's right in the middle with size if you don't want to be too aggressive with the setup but still need a good amount of space for good fitment, or you need this specific measurement for your preferred stance. Now I think if you're looking for a moderate spacer choice as an easy solution to bettering your Jeep's appearance and helping with fitment, then this is a great option for you. Install is a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, and it's probably going to take you about an hour or so to get all of these installed on your Jeep. At this point, I'm going to hand it over to one of our installers. They're going to show you a detailed breakdown on how you can bolt these up to your Wrangler at home. So that wraps it up for me. Let's get into the install.
For this install, you will need an impact, a small extension, a 19mm thin wall socket. Also not shown here is a floor jack, a thread locker, and whatever tools you use to take off your specific wheels. Alright, today we're going to be installing some wheel spacers on our Wrangler, so let's get started. Alright, so you want to start off with whichever corner of the vehicle you're going to work on first. You want to have the vehicle jacked up and the wheel removed. Now whichever wheel you have is going to be specific to the tools you need. So once you have those off, you want to make sure the surface of your rotor where this is going to mate is pretty clean and free of corrosion. Ours isn't too bad. So we're going to set our spacer onto our factory lug studs. Get those seated in fully. Then we're going to take our provided inner lug nuts, get those onto our factory studs. Now once you have those in place, you want to take a 19mm thin wall socket and tighten these down in the same pattern you would as you would tighten your wheel down, so a star pattern. Also, at doing this at home, I would highly recommend installing some thread locker onto your factory lugs to kind of help hold these in place. So we've got our 19mm thin wall, and we'll tighten these down. Now once you have this on and tightened down, you want to torque this down to the manufacturer recommended specifications. And once you have this on, you can reinstall whatever wheel you have and do the same thing for your other 3 wheels. Alrighty, that about wraps up our review and install of our 1.5-inch Hubcentric wheel spacers for your 18 to current Jeep Wrangler JL. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything Wrangler, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.